Low profile and rigid form factor easily clamps to bicycle, ATV or dirt bike handlebars. Fits any handlebar with included inserts from 222 mm to 35 mm size, which covers road, mountain, hybrid, cruiser, fixie, and other types of bikes. Designed with multiple attachment points so you can mount your action video camera at the preferred angle, giving you the flexibility to mount accessories to the top, front, or back. Includes front white light and rear red visibility lights with built-in 1/4-20 design designed for true flexibility. You can secure these lights on the mount, or attach them separately to your bike with the stretchable bands. Can be used simultaneously with other accessories with 1/4-20 mounts, lights, Garmin computer, smartphone with grip tight, etc. Now you can have one quick, easy-detach platform for all of your bike attachments. Bike compatibility. Compatible with 222 mm, 238 mm, 318 mm, 34 mm, and 35 mm diameter handlebars. Includes rubber inserts to fit these different sizes. Top reviews from the United States. I have 3 of these mounts for all 3 of my bikes. I love the fact I can keep my speaker and lights mounted on one of the tabs and just swap that between my 3 bikes. Takes me a few seconds to do. I've been using these mounts for over 2 years now and I've never had one fail. They hold tight on the bars and I love the mounting system. Highly recommended for anyone looking for an awesome mount which can hold GoPro, Buckshot 2.0 Bluetooth speaker or some high-power LED lights on your handlebars. I use this for mountain biking rugged terrain in Arizona and it's held up.